Hey everyone, this is Digital Tech. I am go ahead and show you how to disable and remove the login password for your computer. Let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So it's very easy to remove your login password in the lock screen password from your Windows 10 PC or even your Windows 11 PC. Go to Setting. Click Accounts. Click Sign In option. Click Never. Then close Window. Go to Search and type here netplwiz and run. Uncheck mark this. Go down to Apply. Should pop up where you have to type in your password once and twice to confirm, then hit OK. Click Restart and you don't need password for login. Hope this video helpful for you. Please subscribe for more updates.